YouTube, what's happening, kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Go Weezy, coming back at you again, man. But before I get started, I gotta give a shout out to everybody who helped me achieve this YouTube goal, everybody who helped me achieve 500 subscribers, man. First shout out definitely going to Skinny. I remember sitting in Skinny house and he was telling me, yo, you need to do this, you need to do that. Hey man, big shout out to Skinny. Also, Unbreakable Kicks, my frat brother, y'all already know. Blue Fire till the day I die. Shout out to Unbreakable. Snipe Jones, he tossed me a lob. Davey McFly with 2 Y's, 2 of the things, you feel me? He tossed me a lob. Rah-Rah tossed me a lob. Man, everybody who helped me out, who helped me achieve this goal, man, I cannot thank y'all enough. And to my subscribers, man, I ain't trying to bite off Mike Rich, but man, hey man, thank y'all, man. Huge shout out from the GOAT. Also, everybody from my hometown, Springfield, Norway, and Nieces. I'm repping all 3, HKT, baby. I can't thank y'all enough, baby. Hey, but anyway, I ain't gonna bore y'all with that. If you aren't a subscriber, please go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on Weezy, baby, you feel me? But let's go down and get into the nitty gritty on why we are here right now. Y'all can see I'm smiling like the Kool-Aid man right now, from like the Joker from ear to ear. Man, I don't know if y'all can see that thing, but I finally got these things right here. Woo! You already know what time it is. Should I show y'all? Let me show y'all what time it is. Man, let me go ahead, get my keys. You can have your knife back like Ezel say. I don't kill. Let's go ahead and open this. Matter of fact, before we get into it, Nike, please stop with this. Now, they didn't leave my box at the door. I had to go to the UPS up the street to pick it up. But thank God, but Nike, please don't leave nothing by my door, you feel me? Thank y'all for that. Let's open this thing on up. Oh, I'm messing up. Oh, I ain't got these hands like Mike. Let y'all see this thing. Got my receipt. You already know what time it is when you see the box. Now these, you already know what time it is. The new Kyrie 5 boxes. Now this one isn't the special one. I'm sorry y'all, I'm sorry. But I still like it anyway. I had to get them. Matter of fact, who gives a F about that box? Because I like my sneaker boxes, if you can tell. Concept Kyrie 5, baby. Man, oh man. Let me tell y'all something about this sneaker right here. Bro, y'all already know Kyrie, my boy, man. I just had to go ahead and get these things, man. But, whew, I gotta stop saying man too, cause I'm just ecstatic right now. But anyway, y'all, this was not the only reason, but one of the big reasons I wanted this sneaker is because of the Eye of Horus on the back. Y'all know I'm big on, y'all didn't know, I'm real big on Egyptian history. And the Eye of Horus is representing the sun god Horus. You know, he was like the most powerful god in Egypt. But man, y'all, I really can't wait to hoop in these or something, though. Like, matter of fact, I ain't even gonna hoop in it. I'm not hooping in these. I'm gonna rock these because I already know a whole lot of people ain't got them. But let's go ahead and get into the sneaker, man. You got your fuchsia sole. And then you got a desert sand upper. That desert sand upper is dope. And then you got a darker desert sand. I don't know what this is for. I thought it was a strap initially, but it's not a strap. And it kind of makes the shoes a little tighter. But I like my basketball shoes a little tight on me, so I ain't gonna complain about that. Now you got your Concept C. Matter of fact, I need to get the other one. But the Concept, that's what it's called. Kyrie 5 Concept. PE. Kyrie played in these on Christmas Day. Let y'all see that red tongue. That red tongue on them bad boys. Got your concepts. Written in Egyptian. Well, Egyptian-like. I ain't gonna say written in Egyptian, but you feel me. Man, it's just an overall dope sneaker, and I'm surprised I hit on the sneakers app. Like I said before, sneakers app they've been kind of holding your boy lately. Hopefully they don't hold me tomorrow when them Flint 19s come out. I need them. And shout out to Tony D for that on foot again. But yo, this is one of the dopest pickups of the year. 2019, my first unboxing of the year, and I'm really in awe right now. Like, I really can't wait to put these on. Now, I'm not gonna do it on foot. It's late. I would have did this in the morning, but who cares, man? I would do it in the house, but I don't really want to do it in the house either. But eventually, y'all will see these on foot, maybe in the gym. Like I said, I'm not gonna hoop in them, but I can do it on foot when I'm just flexing in the gym. You feel me? Not working out, but just going to a basketball game or something. You feel me? But man, I love these sneakers. All right. Now, let's get into some other things that's been on my mind. ShoeTube has been off its rocker lately. Man, listen. I don't know if y'all been paying attention to the Anytime Live show, but Shumanati and Damn D, they got into it. My boy Shumanati pulled a gun out, told Damn D he know what time it is. It's crazy, man. That's ridiculous, dog. Like, I rock with Shumanati, but then I look on my IG today, Skinny and Shumanati beefing, and y'all know I rock with Skinny. Like, what's going on, man? Like, what? Somebody talk to me. Man, ShoeTube is getting like a soap opera right now. So I saw somebody said it's getting like WWF, and I'm like, yeah, it really is. We got Stone Cold Steve Austin in one corner, then you got The Rock, then you got The Undertaker, then you got Shawn Michaels over here. What's really going on? Somebody talk to me. But I just wish we can all come together, guys, and just do something great. Everybody's doing great things, but we just need to come together, man. Let that beef go. That ain't what it's about, man. My homie Steve Freeman called me last week and said, let's just get to sneakers. And I want to get him back to sneakers. So with that being said, man, let's take it back. Let's take it back to sneakers, y'all, for real. For real, let's take it back to sneakers. But anyway, once again, thank you guys for subscribing. If you know somebody who isn't subscribed, hey, make sure you tell them. Y'all need to check out GOAT. Y'all boys definitely need to check out GOAT, you feel me? But other than that, man, I appreciate you guys once again. Y'all already know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace. And with all this beef, once again, throw some chicken grease on that thing, man. We out of here.